This video will show you how to make a day-use reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily reserve rooms for a guest for day use, that is, only or a few hours during the day. Let us see how. Under the desired room, type in room number, click the check-in date. Quick reservation panel opens up. Enter the mandatory guest details, that is, first name, last name, and phone number. Click single. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Day Use checkbox in the Stay Details section. Day Use panel opens up. Note that the check-in date and check-out date is the same as date selected for check-in. Use the down arrows to edit the check-in time. Enter the duration of stay. Note: you cannot reserve a room for more than 23 hours. The checkout time is updated automatically. Click Save. Click Reserve. The Day Use reservation gets saved. To view the Day Use reservation, click the check-in list or reservation list under Room Operations. The list opens in a new tab. It shows the list of rooms checked in and rooms pending for check-in on current date. Use the date fields to search reservations for desired dates and click Search. The Day Use reservation reflects in the list. Click the reservation to make any changes. The reservation opens in a new tab. Alternatively, you can also click Reservation List under Room Operations to view the Day Use reservation. This brings us to the end of the video on how to make a day use reservation.